guys, I actually want to do a funny review on these knives. I wasn't going to do a review on these just because I haven't really had time recently, but I wanted to. So a few weeks ago, I was cutting an avocado with this knife right here. These are super, super sharp, just a warning. Be careful. These are amazing knives. I will say, you know, you want your knives to be sharp. They also have a sharpener, which you won't need for a long time because these come so sharp to the point that I cut my hand open. So I was cutting an avocado. It's pretty much healed up now, but I like really daggered that, you know, knife into my hand, which was very painful. But that was my fault, and the knife slid into my hand and it went right through my skin down into my bone. So yes, I do highly recommend these if you're looking for a very, very sharp knife set. They're very, very high quality stainless steel. They're very nice. I've been using them for a little while now, so these are not brand new out of the box. I mean, they're so sharp, you guys. Great, great quality though. I highly recommend these. They have many different kinds of knives in here. They're super, super sharp though. Super sharp. They also come with scissors, which I love. And a sharpener, which you won't need for a while, like I said. I also love these. These are great. I use these all the time. But yes, I highly recommend this knife set.
This is the new knife set that I purchased. It comes with all these, and this is the block what it looks like. That's that sharpener right here. And these knives are very sharp. And here's the scissors. Scissors got like the bottle opener on it that help you open the bottle right there. And it goes straight off in here. You got these. In this knife I did use already, and it cuts perfect. It's real sharp. And you got all your knives that you need on it. This is the quality and how it looks. Even the, and it comes already, I haven't used this one. You see it still has the plastic on the tip part of it. I'm cooking, as you can see my thing right there. Cooking dinner, having liver and onions tonight. And the steak knives, all the steak knives are on there as well. And it's a great set, nice to have. Great for the deal. It's very worth the money. And I've got it on a special when I bought it. But it's a great deal that I have. Needed one badly, didn't have a good knife set, and I'm glad I purchased this one right here.
This is how it arrived. There's a chip in it. And self-sharpening. None of these holes have a sharpener in it. It is just this small sharpener on the top. Knives are kind of a cheap plastic. Knife set itself is fairly pretty as far as the colors, but this is, like I said, a very plasticky type of knife. I'm not really sure how long it would last. Like I said, pretty is about it. Definitely kind of a cheap looking block for, I guess the price is probably right though.
We actually really love these knives that we bought on Amazon. So we had another set, but we just needed to get a separate one. This is the amazing part though, is you are actually able to just sharpen it on the block, which is awesome.
The question.
Like, these knives are moving when they're not supposed to. They separate. They have a space. Shouldn't be happening.
Hold on,